Exactly. And how you get up there.
People there, people don't have no phones. You know it?
The invisible.
They don't have no internet, no phones, no nothing. The only thing they've got is the street.
Well, how do you get up that high?
Ladder.
I'm kind of busy holding my coat. Help! Help! I can't. Hey, rude. Say, it is in the truck. Well, it is in the truck now. Union Pacific. Yep. Oh, be careful, please. My window's down still. Oh, hey, there's rail. From when the derailment happened. Oh. Whoa! I found the downhill. They're loaded cars. That's exactly. I don't. Yep. I was just saying these were loaded. Oh. Okay. Hey, that car has a weird end. I'm just saying. Let me zoom in on that good action. And I can't hold the. And I can't keep my phone steady for the life of me. I can't hold my phone steady for the life of me. Please help. Need a tripod. What do you think I said? Well, the train's gone. And if that train starts moving on.
Just for right now, Brayden, I can't stand it.
I jumped too.
I might have been able to when my daggone ears were stopped up. As you can tell, my ears are
windshield. Hot dog. Flip you. This is why you don't go railfanning with your family. I just want to know, where's the heritage units at? Stop putting a hot dog in my screen.
I seen one the other day.
What was it?
I don't remember.
What was the color?
I don't remember, but I remember seeing one.
Well, what use are you?
Not much.
Well, that's true. It's all shaky back here. I need another camera.
Maybe you need an operator.
Maybe I need a tripod. Just sticks it on down in this floor of the truck,
Wow.
and it's just like, woo. My thumb's hurting for some reason.
Imagine that.
Probably because of the way I hold my phone when I'm filming. That's better.
See that one that's completely white? One that was completely white?
Why?
It's got milk in it.
Hey! You know, they don't usually change out what the tank
That one
cars
says
carry.
molten sulfur. I don't think they haul milk on trains anymore.
No,
You sure?
I don't know that they did back in the day either.
they did. And my board.
Look at the last one!
It's a CSX. The best brand that's out there.
Let it die in a hole until they bring steam back.
I don't think they're gonna bring steam back. I think they got rid of all them.
No, they did.
They burned them all. They set them up. They put them all on one track and burned them all.
Will you please eat your French fries?
No, they did have a steam program with L&N number 152.
Yeah, they probably got rid of that though.
No, it's in Kentucky still. It's their state engine now.
For somebody that used to hate them.
They're kind of growing on him a little bit.
Oh boy.
As soon as they bring steam back, we're going on rail. We're going on CSX tracks. Hey, you know what? I could become president of CSX.
Oh boy.
Just lift the steam band and L&N.
Are you still videoing?
Yeah, I don't know why. Ah! Ah!